Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Learn English with Queen Sanaz. I'm Queen Sanaz, and this is a place where we'll learn English step by step in a fun, easy, and clear way. If you've tried to learn English before but felt confused and frustrated, if textbooks felt too boring or complicated, then you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll learn useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, and even popular English proverbs. Everything is explained in a simple and friendly way. No pressure, no stress. My goal is to help you learn English like a friend with joy, motivation, and confidence. We'll cover English words, vocabularies, expressions, dialogues, etc. So please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. And if there is a topic you'd like me to teach, let me know in the comments. Thank you for being here. Let's start this sweet learning journey together. Learn English with Queen Sanaz, starting today with you.